Let's talk about end-of-line resistors and supervision. Why the fire alarm panel knows something is wrong. It compares what it measures to what it expects. The fire alarm panel is always watching the circuit. It does not see devices, it sees electrical conditions. Why EOL resistors exist. End-of-line or EOL resistors are used to confirm the circuit is electrically intact, detect opens, such as a broken wire, detect shorts, such as a wire-to-wire fault. Prove wiring reaches the end of the circuit. Without an EOL resistor, the panel cannot supervise the circuit. Where the EOL goes. The EOL resistor must be installed at the end of the circuit, at or after the last device, not in the middle, at the end of the wire run. What normal means. A normal condition means the panel sees the expected electrical condition. That condition can be confirmed when the proper resistor is installed, such as a 4.7K, 10K, 47K resistor. Depends on the system. The panel is not looking for the resistor. It is looking for the result the circuit with the correct resistor creates. That result is normal. What the panel is actually seeing. The panel is not thinking everything is fine. It is measuring the circuit and saying, I see what I expect. The circuit must be intact. In an open circuit, if the wire breaks or disconnects, resistance becomes infinite. The panel sees no complete circuit. The result is trouble. What open really means. That could be a broken wire, loose connection, or a missing end-of-line resistor. The panel doesn't know which, only that the path is gone. In a short circuit, if the conductors touch, resistance becomes very low, near 0 ohms. The panel sees too much current, which is too little resistance. Result, trouble or alarm depending on the zone programming. Change of state or an event. When a device activates, such as a pull station or a heat detector, the circuit resistance changes from normal, the resistance current changes. On your meter, this may look like a short, but it's normal operation. Result, alarm or supervisory, based on the panel programming. The panel only understands 4 things. Expected resistance or current, which is normal. Infinite resistance, which is open. Low resistance, short or alarm, depending on the zone programming. Changed resistance, alarm, or supervisory. It does not know why, it only knows what it sees. Wrong end-of-line value. If the wrong resistor is installed, the panel sees the wrong electrical condition. Example, 10,000 ohm resistor instead of a 47,000 ohm resistor, missing resistor, or multiple resistors. The wrong resistor may work for years before it shows the trouble. Result, the panel reports a condition, which is normally trouble. What the panel cannot see. The panel cannot see where the problem is, what caused the problem. It only sees the electrical condition of the circuit. Supervision isn't magic, it's electrical behavior. Keep the resistor at the end, keep the value correct, understand what the panel is seeing.